Hi, welcome back. I'm your palmist and psychological counselor Akhila Murthy. Hope you, your family, and your loved ones are doing well and are safe. In my previous video, I had explained various types of pariharas or remedies which would help strengthen the positive aspects or weaken the negative effects of the planet. Now, let's see how this can be applied with an example. In my videos, palm analysis part 1 and part 2, I had taken an example of a specific palm. If you would like to take a look at these videos, I have provided the link in the description below. I had explained about the person's traits, strengths and weaknesses. Let's recap. Based on the lines on the palm, this person is insecure and impulsive. He will face relationship issues because he is egoistic and has very high expectations from his partner. He also lacks discipline, which affects his focus to achieve his goals. This makes him restless, hot-headed, which in turn affects his mental and physical health. Using the same example, I would like to prescribe the following pariharas: Mani, Mantra and Mudra. Red coral and yellow sapphire will work best for him. Red coral will help him reduce overthinking. This will give him peace of mind and also help him calm down when restless or agitated. It will boost his physical health. Procedure to wear the mani. Red coral can be worn in the form of a ring or a pendant. If the person chooses to wear it as a ring, then it should be worn on a right hand ring finger. Gold or silver can be used to make the ring or the pendant. Yellow sapphire will enhance focus and will make the person achieve his goals. The gem yellow sapphire boosts the person's chances to achieve name and fame. The second parihara is mantra. I recommend the chanting of Chandra and Shiva Ashtotra Shatanamavali on Mondays. Chandra is Manokaraka, which means it influences the mind. These mantras will enhance his memory power and increase self confidence. It will also help him have clarity of thought while making decisions related to work or personal life. Most important is that it will reduce his addictive habits. A visit to Shiva temple on Mondays and performing Chandra Graha Shanti occasionally will help enhance the strength of the moon. The next mantras I would recommend would be chanting of Rahu Ashtotra Shatanamavali and Lalita Trishati on Saturdays. The shadow planet Rahu is responsible for all sorts of delays in fulfillment of ambitions. Chanting the mantras and performing Rahu Graha Shanti on Saturdays will reduce family disputes and increase harmony within the family. Also, a visit to Devi temple on Saturdays will reduce the bad effects on the native. The third parihara is mudra. The first mudra I recommend is Apana mudra. This mudra regulates emotions and brings in the harmony between mind and body. Practicing this mudra will help him get clarity in everyday tasks and effectively deal with various challenges. It also enhances patience and confidence in the person, which will help him develop a vision or goal in his life. Procedure to practice. Apana Mudra is very easy. Just place the tips of the middle finger and ring finger with the thumb and extend the remaining fingers. 5 minutes of daily practice is recommended. The second mudra that I would recommend is Shunya Mudra. This reduces mental unrest. The palm suggests that the person holds a lot of resentments from his past and is unable to let go. This mudra will help him look within and make amends to situations in the past. I understand that it is very difficult to forgive another person, but I also know that forgiveness truly opens up new gateways. When we throw away our burdens, it will enable us to lead our life in peace. Procedure to perform. Bend the middle finger until it touches the ball of your thumb. Lightly press down on the middle finger with your thumb. The other fingers are extended. Do this with each hand. 3 times daily for 5 minutes is recommended. We looked at 3 types of customized pariharas that I would recommend for this example. That is Mani, red coral in yellow sapphire, Mantra, Chandra and Shiva Ashtotra Shatanamavali, Rahu Ashtotra Shatanamavali, and Lalita Trishati. Mudra, Apana Mudra, and Shunya Mudra. If you see, these are very simple and doable pariharas. When regularly practiced, these pariharas will have a profound impact on our lives. Implementing these remedies in daily routine will reduce imbalance created by the shape, structure of the fingers, formation of defective lines, and development of mounts. This will result in emotional and intellectual well-being. Thanks for watching. If you find these videos informative, please do share and subscribe to the channel. Take care and stay safe.